guys, welcome back to my mini vlog. So today's video, gagawa ako ng red mousse entremet para magkaroon kayo ng idea during Valentine's Day. So palapit na yung Valentine's Day guys. So ito nga yung ginagawa ko is red mousse entremet. Gumawa ako ng strawberry mousse. First layer natin is fudge sponge. Second layer natin is strawberry mousse. Third layer natin is hazelnut praline crunch. Yun, yung nakikita nyo sa video. At ang fillings natin dito is strawberry lime confit. So, and cover with strawberry mousse again. And then maglagay din tayo ng fudge sponge. So, para balance yung crunchiness, yung sweetness ng ating dessert. So, very easy lang guys gawin ito para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung ano ang perfect dessert for the Valentine's Day. So, you can find the ingredients in your home. So, anywhere in the supermarkets. Ito na yung nagawa ko guys. We have 10 pieces ng red mousse entremet. So, hindi pa tayo tapos dyan. Gagawin natin yan. Mag-glaze tayo ng red glaze. So, ito na yung red glaze natin ginawa natin. So, kung gusto niyo mang comments kung ano yung mga recipe nito at mag-comment lang kayo sa video na to. Yan po yung ating red glaze. So it made on chocolate, condensed milk, cream, and so many ingredients inside, but it's very affordable. You can find and you can buy anywhere in the supermarkets. So, para magkaroon kayo ng idea during Valentine's Day, kasi ang hirap magkaroon ng gumawa ng mga different recipes o mga desserts na napaka-crucial. So, ito yung recipe ko it's a perfect for a Valentine's Day, especially for your loved ones, your family, your girlfriend and boyfriend. So, just follow the step and the procedures para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano gawin ito. So ito na ginagawa ko guys, nag-glaze na ako nito. So make sure the cake was frozen. So para easy siya, para madali siyang ma-cover up. Okay? At ito na yung finished product natin. And naggumawa ko ng chocolate garnish, dark chocolate